Hi, welcome back. The U Revolution. And that's what it's all about. It's understanding really that even though we've been put here on this planet for a purpose, and I do firmly believe that, I believe also that so much of the change in our lives is actually directed by ourselves. It comes from a decision that we make. We're talking about the story of our lives. The day that we were born, a story started to be written. And while there were parents and there were teachers and there were peer group and various other people have written a line or even written a chapter in the story of our lives, ultimately it comes down to us to realize and that there comes a point when we are in charge. We are the one that's holding the pen. But so much of what has gone before will often determine how we make our choices and our decisions in the future. So in other words, if we have been taught that we are useless, if we've been told that we're stupid, the chances are we're not going to go for things in the future. We're not going to step out. We're not going to have the courage to step out. It's almost like there's a sign by your front door saying failure. And so every day when you're about to step out and take on the world, you see that sign and you step back and you close the door and you go back to bed. I want to say this to you, that every day is an opportunity to make a difference and to make a change, and start with the small things. In my later videos, I'm going to be talking about medium-term vision, short-term vision, possibly even long-term vision for our lives and how we can get things like that into action. But I'm starting at the grassroots level here, where I'm saying the book of your life is being written right now. This is the only life you're ever going to live. Make it a good one. What does the story of your life look like right now? Is it a bit of an adventure? Is it a romance? Is it a thriller? Hope it's not a horror story. But whatever it is, take control of that as much as you possibly can. Obviously, it'll be determined by your age. If you're still a child, it's very difficult to do that. You can't change what is being done to you, but you can change how you respond to it. And so if you're an adult and you're watching this, there's so much that we can do to start to change our mentality. Our mentality starts to change our activity. And so let's get that right, and then things start to change. People say to me, where are the champions of today? I tell you what, they're here. They exist already. The untapped potential in this world is staggering. But do you even know what you've got? Do you even know what's invested in you? Do you even know what gifts and talents you've got? There's potential right here to absolutely rock this world. And I hope you find that. It starts with your thoughts. It starts with governing and directing the way you think, and your body will follow. All right. I so look forward to sharing so much more of these things with you. I hope you're finding it encouraging, and I'll see you again soon.